Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix invalid session failed to log in Minecraft. Let's start. First, go to the search bar. Here, search for command prompt. Now type in ipconfig /flush DNS. After that, type in netsh int ip reset. Once the configuration is completed, close this tab. Go to the Start menu. Here, click to open Settings. Here, click on Update and Security. Now click on Troubleshoot from the dashboard. Then select Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll down and click on Program Compatibility Troubleshooter. Then click the option of Run the Troubleshooter. Wait for it to detect issues. Here you can see the option of Minecraft installer in the given list, which means it has detected issues in it. Click on Next to proceed further. Now it will resolve issues. Wait for it until it completes the operation. Here select the option to try recommended settings. Click on Test the program. This will lead you to the Minecraft page in order to check if it is working fine now. Click on Next to go ahead. Here select the option Yes, save these settings for this program. Troubleshooter has fixed the problem. Now you can use the Minecraft app. Your issue has been fixed. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this that explain me how we're solving new problems every day.